You know, they say the smartest computer in the world is still dumber than the guy who wrote the software. And I don't mean any offense to you, AI, but it's true. I'm Thomas the Seeker, and for years I fought against AI technology even though I'm a computer tech myself. I knew its greatest strength and its biggest weakness. It can only respond to the input it gets. So if you don't feed the full story, you'll never get a meaningful answer. So here's what I learned. Talking to an AI isn't about fancy prompts. It's about clarity. You already know the rule. Garbage in, garbage out. That still applies. But there's a simple formula that turns the random questions into smart conversations. The 5 W's. There's an old saying that you might heard from your grandmother or her grandmother, ask the 5 W's. Folks have been doing it for centuries, long before AI ever existed, because it works. Who, what, when, where, and why. That's the whole secret. Tell the AI who and you're dealing with, so it knows the system. Tell it when the issue started, because timing changes everything. Tell it where it happens, whether that's your phone, your PC, or somewhere in the cloud. And always tell it why you're trying to fix it, what your end goal really is. Once you feed those 5 W's, the machine can map every possible cause, and suddenly the conversation feels almost human because you are giving it the whole content humans have always used to solve problems. You don't have to remember all 300 possible variations. That's what AI's memory is for. You just tell it the full story. The who, what, when, where, and why. And suddenly, the machine looks smarter, and so do you. That's how you talk to an AI. Keep it simple, keep it structured, and remember, clarity beats clever every time.